Okay guys, for those of you who've been following along at the problem with my van, see that filter right there? That is actually a diesel filter. So whoever owned the van before the last guy bought it, there used to be a diesel engine in this. Then they put a V8 in there, a 454 V8. And what they did is that they ran the lines from what used to be a diesel. I'm sure they cleaned them out, it's been years, but they kept this filter on there. So from my gas tank up into here, it comes out of the gas tank to a pretty good sized filter, and then through a solenoid that switches tanks, then all the way up over here, comes down into this filter, and then out here, or out at the bottom here, down to my fuel pump, which we think it's losing pressure by going through all that. So we've put a new fuel pump on it, new filters, different carburetor, different breather, and now what we're going to do is eliminate this tank. I don't know if we'll be doing it today. It runs pretty good, it chugs a little bit on the heel. We have checked to make sure it hasn't been retarded back. We have checked to make sure the advance is working. So before we drop the tank, seeing if it's the sending unit, we're going to bypass this filter right here and take a hose that comes from the tank and the filter below down to my fuel pump and see if that helps any. It did help a little bit with the new fuel pump, but it's not completely fixed. So we're going to do that. And then if that don't work, we're going to run a line directly to a can and run it with a can up a hill to see if it does it that way. That way we know what's in the tank. So that's where we're standing on the progress, but we probably won't be working on it again till the first of next month. It runs pretty good. I can drive it with no problems really, but I just want it right. But originally, I think the problem is this used to be a diesel rig, and whoever hooked up the V8 in it did not change the things they should have changed. And so I'm following this line all the way back, even though it looks old, it's solid. It's just, I think it's losing pressure by going through all that. I'm not sure, but we're going to give it a shot. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.